all my blowers running, possibly ready for this weekend when we might get some snow. Here, I'll just shut them off here. This one blower, the key switch isn't letting me shut it off, so to get that, play around with that. Anyways, got them running. We're maybe gonna get 10 centimeters this weekend. Hopefully it melts, and then we don't have to go out yet. I know we've been very lucky this year. But anyways, this was what I did last year, the 4 blowers, and this one was brand new last November. I really liked it. Had some minor problems when I first started the season, just little cables breaking, but then it finished off the season strong. This one, I don't know if I'm going to use it much this year. It's just a residential blower. It's hot as day. It still runs, but I'm sure that things are going to start to break on it. You can see that it's rusted in different spots. Maybe you can't see on the video here, but and then then these 2 little one-stage snow blowers. They're awesome when you just get some light snow. I've just replaced the paddles on them once a season, kind of. You go through one and then you put another set on, so they don't. Once you know how to install those, they go a lot smoother the second time changing them out. And so I'm just putting everything away today. It's so awesome that we can put everything away dry this year, and all my lawn equipment has been fixed. Whatever little things are broke, I had lots of time to be able to get everything running right for the spring, so I don't have to worry about that over the winter. And I'll show you guys once everything's put away. And anyways, hope everybody's having a great day. Craig with Thirsty Lawn Care.